Our first meal is going to be a chicken and avocado salad, which is very easy and quick to prepare, and so anyone can do it. Not only that, because it's very low in carbohydrates, this meal can be ideal for dinner too. To reduce the amount of calories on this meal, make sure you have smaller portions and have only a half avocado instead of a whole avocado. This meal serves 2 people, and for the salad you will need 1 ready avocado, half cucumber, 2 tomatoes and a mixed leaf salad. For the meat, 2 medium onions, 2 small garlic cloves or sugar-free garlic paste, and 500 grams of diced chicken breast. For the seasoning finally, you will need olive oil, balsamic vinegar, salt, black pepper, and if you like your chicken spicy, then chili powder. We will start by heating a little bit of olive oil on the frying pan while we cut the onions. Once we have them cut and the olive oil is starting to get warm, we place the onions on the frying pan and stir them. While you stir frying your onions, get your meat ready. Place your chicken on a bowl and add some salt and pepper and mix it very well. When your onions are starting to look ready, add a bit of garlic. On our case, we added a garlic paste with no sugar. After that, we're gonna add the meat to the frying pan and just mix it very well. While you're waiting for the meat to get ready, start preparing the salad. Because I really like rocket, I decided to put rocket as well as the mixed leaf salad onto the base. Our mixed leaf salad had beetroot, watercress and spinach. After that, start cutting the tomatoes and place 1 tomato on each plate. And make sure you don't forget your meat. Now back to the salad, let's start with the avocado. You have to cut it and leave each half on each plate. On my case, I had a leftover from yesterday, which I wanted to use on today's meal. If you like spicy food, then this is the time to add your chili powder. While the meat is getting ready, let's prepare the cucumber so we finish with the salad. Before we add the meat to the salad, we will season it with salt, black pepper and balsamic vinegar. Et voila! We have a really good, healthy meal ready to eat.